Are you tired of guessing which crypto trading platform actually gives you the best edge? Today, we're putting three absolute heavyweights head to head. One offers rock-solid centralized security, another gives you the original decentralized experience, and the third is completely rewriting the yield rules on BNB chain. Which one is right for your portfolio? Let's find out. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risks such as price volatility and market risk. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your risk tolerance. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get right into it. Alright, folks, so for this video, we'll be checking out Kraken, Thena.fi, and Uniswap. They actually represent three distinct pillars of the modern crypto trading landscape, and each one serves different user needs, really showing just how diverse the ecosystem has become. So let's kick things off with Kraken. Now, it operates as a highly secure centralized exchange, often referred to as the Fort Knox of crypto. It's managed to maintain a long-standing, flawless security record by keeping about 95% of user assets in geographically distributed cold storage. Kraken makes it easy to get in and out of the cryptocurrency markets, and also allows for seamless conversion between traditional currencies like the US dollar and the euro and digital assets as well. For advanced users, Kraken Pro offers deep liquidity, professional-grade charting, margin trading up to 5 times, and of course, futures trading with leverage up to 50 times, catering to experienced and institutional traders. Of course, I'd encourage you all to go ahead and check them out. You can find their About section right here. So why choose Kraken? They offer customer service and plenty of other information you can find on their website. So make sure to do your own research. That way you'll be informed and able to make better decisions about which one is best for you. Looking for more leads and to dominate your niche? Ytranker.net is here to cut through the fluff and build real strategies that deliver results. Alright, folks, let's start by opening an incognito window. This keeps our searches clean and free from any bias from previous browsing. So let's go ahead and make sure the settings for this one are set to English. Alright, let me go ahead and run a couple of searches. So, hi proxies. Who comes up first? Look at that. That's me right there. Alright, let's try one last thing and see if this one also gives us a positive result. Bam, look at that, folks. My thumbnail is ranking at the top of the search results, so that's how you know you're doing something right. So, do you want your business to be the go-to in your industry? It starts with Ytranker.net, where we take you straight to the top. Let's get back to the video. Now, the second one on our list for this video, folks, is Thena.fi. Now, Thena.fi stands out as a DeFi innovator on the BNB chain, and it positions itself as a super app that brings centralized exchange-level tools into a decentralized environment. Now, its tokenomics model introduces a unique voting and emission system that actually aligns with what the token holders need. Thena.fi also emphasizes capital efficiency through their Alpha Perpetual platform, which offers up to 60 times leverage. Alright, that's 60 times leverage and cross-margin accounts that also let you share collateral across multiple positions to help manage liquidation risk. As you can see, they're backed by the best in the ecosystem. These are their partners, their grants, their audits, their communities. Of course, I'd encourage you to go ahead and check all those out so you can learn more about who they are, what they do, and what gives Thena an edge over the other competitors. Alright, now these are their docs. Guys, this is one part I'd really recommend you start your own research with, because there's a ton of information here that'll help you understand more about who they are, what they do, and what really makes them stand out or what they bring to the table that others don't. So that's Thena, folks. And finally, last but definitely not least, here's one you're already familiar with. If you've been trading crypto for a while now, you've heard of Uniswap, or maybe you've even used it already. Alright, so basically, Uniswap is still the pioneering decentralized exchange on Ethereum, and as the original automated market maker, it allows peer-to-peer trading directly from Web3 wallets in a fully permissionless, non-custodial way. So, with no signups or KYC requirements, users can keep full control of their private keys. Thanks to Uniswap's wide range of tokens and innovations like concentrated liquidity in V3 and advanced accounting features in the newer versions, it keeps improving efficiency for both retail and high-volume traders. Now, of course, folks, I want to remind you to do your own research, and what better way to do that than by visiting their website and checking out their docs. Their documentation has a different look, but it still gives you loads of information to help you learn more about who they are, what they do, and what really sets Uniswap apart. In my honest opinion, it's one of the oldest, or at least one of the most well-known exchanges out there. All right, folks, there you have it. You've seen the centralized fortresses, the high-yield BNB innovator, and the decentralized pioneer. So each platform is actually bringing a completely different tool to your trading arsenal. Now, it depends on how you like to manage your digital assets. It really comes down to what you value most right now: fiat convenience, cutting-edge tokenomics, or ultimate wallet freedom. So the choice is entirely up to you. Let me know in the comments section, folks, which path you're taking. So again, everyone, make sure to check out Kraken, Thena.fi, and Uniswap. Links to these will be in the video description. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll consider clicking like, subscribing, and hitting that bell. That way, you'll always get notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.